Well, this is my back lining piece, and this is my front piece with the lining attached. So I already, let me show you, I already marked my placement line where my edge is going to be placed. And sometimes, you know, when I'm working with the fabric, when I press it, you know, sometimes your marks can be, you know, washed away, I mean, by just, you know, rubbing with your hands. So that's why I like to place some notches which are represent my line. So this is the beginning of the line. See how I done this? And this is my second one. Boom. So this is actually doing this step really helps you to line up, because sometimes, once again, you can just destroy your line once you just, you know, rub your fabric into your hands. So what I need to do, I need to place my lining according to the marks. And let me move it. As you can see, okay, what I need to do, I need to line up my, let me do it this way, I hope you can see it. So see, I need to line up this edge as well. So that's what I'm doing, because you may disturb your placements over there, but see, this is my marks. This is actually where my seam will go. So this is why I need to match it over there, but I need to match this edge as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place some pins. You can, you know, use your clips as well. It's just easier for me to use my pins. Okay, like so. So this is my lining, and I probably pin it over there as well. I need to find a good pin, like so. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to fix my lining by doing the back tack, or you can just, you know, go over there, and then I'm going to stitch my lining all the way around. Okay, so let's start from all the way around first, lining up. So that's why, remember, I told you, you need to leave this at least like a ½ inch free in order to be able to fold your front piece over. Okay, and once again, I'm going to use just, okay, my setting is 3.5 right now, my stitch length. Well, you may serge this edge before doing this step, but since my fabric is not raveling, so it's not frayed, so that's why I decided not to add any, you know, thickness. When you serge, you get the thickness of your serger stitch, overlock stitch, right? So that's why I decided I don't need it. So actually, I don't even need to serge this fabric at all, but I just like how it looks on the side seam, so I will go and serge it later. I mean, the side seam for sure, but not, and this one too. Yes, I will serge it later. So now let's fix the lining to the, okay, by doing back tack. Okay, this one is done. Good. And then I usually go like, you know, I use the one, you know, centimeters, so, but you can use, you know, your inch rule as well. So at least 1 centimeters. Okay, get close to my tails. make sure you lay it flat. It's really important, because if you get any distortion over there, you will get really, not looking good pocket. So pay attention at this step, please. Okay, like so. Okay, you can stabilize this piece if you want with a piece of interfacing, but I don't think I need that. Okay, so now, since we having our front piece in hands, remember we're going to have 2 pleats over there. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to align my notches. Pay attention in this step, because you need to see that your pleats goes really nice, and the direction should be strictly vertical, not diagonal, not horizontal, vertical. Okay, and this is my first one. Okay. And at this time I wanted to use my clip, okay, and I do have a second one which is deeper. Okay. And once again, I pay attention how these pleats goes. I wanted to see it right now, not later. Right now, I want to see the placement. Okay. Okay. Okay, like so. I really like it. I need to wrap my clips. I think I left it in my locking case. Okay, now see what we have. Our lining is extended up to over here. So actually, once we place our zipper, it's going to be covered like so. So see, our lining is really big one. So that's why I want to make this step right now. So actually, like fixing my pleats onto my lining, and the lining plays the role of stabilizer for my pleats. That's what I'm doing right now. But I'm going to stitch it all the way over there. So I'm going to place a stitch line on the top of my pants, but not exactly from the beginning of my lining, a little bit over. I'm going to start from here. I'll explain you why later. Okay, and I wanted to increase my stitch length because I don't need really tiny one. So it's basically like a basting right now. I'm making a base stitch. Okay, and I feel like my foot doesn't work properly, so I'm going to use a regular hand cream. It just happened to be I have the Russian version right now that I bought during my last trip in Russia. So, and I'm just going to place a little bit of hand cream over there. Okay, see, I just grab a dot and I'm just going to place a little bit of hand cream over there. Don't worry about oiling your fabric, because the good hand cream, it's it will absorb and not leaving any residue. But I always recommend to test it. I already tested on this fabric. It doesn't leave any residue. But the hand cream really helps you to run your pressing foot really smooth. See how easy it is? It just glides on the top of it. Oh, and it smells good, of course. Okay. So see, as you can see, there is nothing left. See, no oil, no nothing. It just absorbs because the hand cream made of, the good hand cream made of good ingredients. So it shouldn't be leaving any residue, by the way. But again, you can test it on the suspicious space. Okay, so see, I already have my pleats stabilized. I have my pockets. So the next step will be serging, but I'm going to make a second pocket and I will show you the next step.